If I say 123, 550 and 600, 700. So less than 500. 1 to 3. So print only 1 to 3 because 500, 600 greater than 500. So not a print. So break to break. If I say CONT continue. So output is why to replace this order, to replace this order, to replace this order. Why? Because 500 item is less than or equal to. If I say equal to, so result is this is same because less than. If I say greater than equal to, so result is always be yeah. Why that? Because greater than 500. So greater than 500 only three values. So all values are call because for item in cart all item cart in item. So iterate the value one by one and call this. So one by one value call this and after the greater than any value, so printed the value. Got it?
And in this case, if we mention break, what will happen?
Okay, break. This is a break. BR break. Okay. If I say because to replace this order this must be required. Why? Because 500 equal to value, not a call, not again and again this call. Only the break. This is break and the loop out of the item to replace the insurance and break. So break less than greater than equal to. So break. So iterated not a value and break in statement of the loop. So all value out the loop हो जाएगी. If I say okay, yeah, must not be करूँ तो अभी this is same values, same print होगा. Okay, less than equal to. So break. Yeah, all values are printed. Okay,
Okay, sir.
next continue are done already. This is a loop. Yeah. N1 int input enter the value. Int this is typecasting to string because input enter any value to only access only string. So convert to string that is typecasting only integer. For I in range n1. So n1 this is n1 and range is I. So all n1 value inner the I. So if I is to equal to 0. So continue and print 30. 29. Why 29? No. If I say I modulus 2 equal to 0, so print it. Y minus 1. Okay, if I modulus 2 equal to 0, continue. Print of I की value, range of I int n. Okay, what is continue? But 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, iterate the value. Okay, I got it. If I if I modulus 2 equal to 0, so con continue and print of I की value. Yeah, got it. Yeah, 13597 because modulus 2 139 5 I modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, yeah, got it. So this same output 13597. If I say not equal to 0, okay, if I say not equal to 0, so what is the output? Okay, 10. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Got it? Okay.
हाँ सर.
Same this continuing break, we can process this. Okay. Yeah. This is your which topic? Okay. Transfer statements. Two types, continuing breaks. And so done your flow control, conditional statements and loop statements and your transfer statements. So conditional statements and transfer statements and iterative statements are done.
सर स्क्रीन नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा अच्छा या वो भी दिख रहा है या दिख रहा है.
हाँ सर.
iterative statements हो गया, for loop while loop हो गया, for loop I've done, and iterative transfer statements, continue statements. अब next topic is Python array. So this is input output statement done, flow control done. This is modules is Python arrays. So shall we start Python array? Fayaz,
Sir,
shall we start Python array?
sure, sir.
Because Python not a array, because note Python does not have built-in support for arrays, so Python not support array, but Python list can be used instead. यानी कि only arrays were only listed, so list You have done it, your work for array. So array is not supported, but many interview are asked what is a Python array, because Python array doesn't support in Python. Python only support list, so array and data structure. So array are used to store multiple values in one single variables. Same list. So same list means, for example, L1 list. So 1, 2, 3,
Sorry,
4.
sir, your screen is
Okay, yeah. 4, 5. This is a list. So L1 list is so same structured form array. So array are used to store multiple value. So list are used to store multiple value. So array and list both are same, but Python does not require array. Python only require lists. 40 minutes. Okay. So Python array. Yeah. So examples: create an array containing car names. For SAMs, this is containing car names. Same. This is both are same. So array is called, yeah, list is called. So mangoes, banana, apple. If I say check it, uh, print visible na my screen? Yeah, visible.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Print CARS, cars of type of cars. Good. Class list. Okay. So array and list both are same, but hardly required only list in Python. Not required, no doesn't require your array. What is an array? So very simple definitions. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. Okay. If you have a list of item, a list of car names, for example, storing the cars in single variables could not like this. Car fold, car value, car one, car two. So not like this different variable and different store of value. Car Ford, Volvo, BMW. Only this cars and mango, banana, apples. This is output. Okay. This is Python array, not a big topic, but a small topic Python array. Because doesn't require Python array, only require list. Okay. This is a highly required topic. Highly recommended this topic. Strings. Highly recommended. Highly. So list. Okay. String data type. Okay. So string data type. The most commonly used object in any project and in any programming language is string only. Hence, we should aware complete information about string data type. Okay. So this string data type to complete information about the string data type. Okay. So first of all, what is a string? A string, any sequence of characters within either single quotes or double quotes, is considered as a string. Okay. Syntax X Durga Durga. Just like CMD. What is a string? So this is a string. This is called string. Single quotes, double quotes, either enclosed, single or double quotes. That is now called string. CH. If you want a single character type CH, so class is str. How to define multi-line string literals? We can define multi-line strings literals by using triple, single, or double quotes. Same. This is same. Okay. S2 equal to, if I say multi-line, same. Comma, print S2. This is a multi-line. Okay, multi-line. How to use multi-line? The single quotes and single triple quotes and double triple quotes. Okay. We can also use triple quotes to use single quotes or double quotes as symbol inside single literals. So how to insert single quotes to insert double quotes inside double quotes inside triple quotes, can how to use it. So examples. So first of all, S4 equal to single quotes Python simple. If I say single quotes inside double quotes, print of S4. So result is true. You can vary. First is in single quotes inside to access double quotes. Okay. But double quotes inside double quotes not applicable. Syntax error. Inside triple quotes to double quotes, exactly right. You used to triple single quote to double quotes. If I say triple double quotes and can I use single triple quotes? Use it. S4. So for example, use single quotes inside double quotes. Don't use double quotes inside double quotes. Not use. And inside triple quotes inside double quotes, yeah, access. But double triple quotes inside triple single, yeah, access. Understand?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
This is line. How to access characters of string? How to access? Can you please reconnecting because time is remaining waiting time. Okay, you
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.